Hi everyone, Vic Noble here with a short update on the scalp trading this past week. Because I live in the Pacific time zone, okay, and also because of the dynamic movement of price for short-term trading, I can only post live trades when I'm at my computer, which is the New York session. But I do provide a video every single day, usually during the Asian session or just before, showing the key levels that we're targeting for trading at for the coming session. Okay, so I'll cover the trades that I posted, plus I'll show you several other great trades that set up during the London session spotted by other members. Because remember that the whole idea of our services is to teach you to become an independent trader and how to spot setups and read price action, etc. on your own. All right, so let's take a look. And as always, if you like this video, I'd sure appreciate a hit on the like button and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, there are links to all of our social media at the end of this video. Okay, thanks so much. Okay, so I'll quickly run over what happened this week. We actually, like I always post trades when I'm around, when I'm available. Like when I'm sleeping, obviously, I'm sleeping. I can't post trades in that, but so that's why, the main goal is to teach people how to fish here. We want people to learn how to do this for themselves, and after you watch things for a while, you get more and more used to it. But anyway, we had a full loss on one of our trades. It was on a New Zealand yen pair. Nothing you could do about it. It was a divergence loss, and I think would we have a New Zealand CAD break even? Oh yeah, so this was on the 28th, and why was it? Let me just see if I can pick it up here. What happened? Yeah, what happened is that we were actually trying to sell this pair when it started to make these swing breaks and everything. So we actually were looking at, we actually sold it right up in here, right up around here, and you can see it went against us, but it never stopped us out. So I told the members in the room, if you can get back to break even, take it off, and which it did. It came back, so we took it off break even, and good thing, because look what happened. Up it went like that. So learning how to read patterns is one thing, but you also want to learn how to read price action and what it's telling you, and it can really save your bacon in a lot of cases. There were other trades that set up this week, really good ones. One of our members spotted one on the Euro Oz. This was back on, and disregard these lines because they've all changed now. It was this one right here. There was some divergence with price heading down and the MACD heading up. There was a buy right in here. He spotted this one, and that went up. That was a really big move up. Right, that was like a 5-to-1 reward risk trade. Okay, even if you scale, like even if you take half profit at a 1-to-1 and the remainder up in here, you still got a 3-to-1 reward risk. It's very, very good. Another member spotted a trade that was a losing trade on the Euro CAD. Too bad. It was a good setup too. It was a divergence trade as well. Right in here, price was going lower, the MACD was going higher, and the buy was right into here somewhere, and it just kept going against her a little bit. And look what happened. It finally, settled out. It ended up being a big move up. You got to, you got to take these high odds trades and see what happens. The thing is, we're taking such small pip risk on these trades. When we do get a move, they're really good. So you can stand losses. It's not a big deal. There was a counter trend trade on the, what was it? The Swiss yen right here. That was on, and you got to remember, like this was the 4-hour chart was trending up. The daily chart is trending higher. And so you can take counter trend trades, but just be aware that you're taking a counter trend trade. Okay, because that's going to affect how you're going to manage the trade. Here's a higher highs and lower lows on the MACD. There's a sell was right here at right up in here at 117.30-ish, and nice move down into this support, which was also 4-hour support, by the way. So there was over a 2-to-1 reward risk trade there. What else did we do? Well, we had a so, this is the thing about reading price action about on the the British pound Japanese yen. We were looking for a sell on a bigger move up into this level here, and I told everybody if it hits this level, right, if it hits this level and goes down and gets up, because the reason we didn't want to sell it here is just because there was more risk in the trade than we wanted, more pip risk. Okay, and it came down sufficiently that I told everybody to cancel the trade, and actually broke this swing here, and look what happened after that. So it's a good thing. This is in a very, very big uptrend, this pair. right? And I can tell you that our day trading service guys have had a fantastic trade on this one. They've held it for a while now. Some of them have anyway, and that's been a really, really big winner. But that's a different style of trading. Okay, that's day trading. I'll just show you one more we had. There was a good setup today. And again, I just wasn't here. I'm not here early enough in the morning to get all of these trades, but it was on the on this pair, the pound Oz. You can see that we've come up to this level of weekly resistance, and it's also a good level of daily resistance right here. Look at how it's reacted off of this level, and we had this pin bar reversal. So today on the so we hit this daily resistance, and on the 15-minute chart, this was a pattern for a sell right up in here. Had a really big move down, over 70 pips, more than a 3-to-1 reward risk trade on that one. So again, it's a matter of learning these patterns so that you can put them on yourself. I was like maybe 5 or 10 minutes late on this, getting it, just seeing them all, because I'm going through 26, 27 pairs every morning at the New York Open. Well, it just takes me time, so it's really good when members can find these trades for themselves. Okay, so yeah, I mean, not a horrible week or anything, but just and lots of other good trades that set up when I wasn't around, but overall just fine, and we'll look forward to seeing what happens next week. Thanks so much. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope it's helpful. That's the bottom line. And please let me know if you have any questions about the content that I show, and I'd be very happy to get back to you. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend as we move into a new month. Okay, see you soon.